DOS means Disk Operating System. DOS are text-based commands used in command line interfaces in Windows. Here are some commonly used DOS commands. dir. This command is used to list files and directories in the current directory. Start. Run. Type cmd, enter. Then this black window will open. On this black screen, type after prompt dir, then enter. You can see all files and directories inside the drive or folder. Next command is cd, is used to changes the current directory. If you want to move from current folder to another folder in DOS, type cd space folder name. Third command is mkdir. It is used for create a new folder. Example, mkdir space document. Check the new folder. Next command is rmdir. It is used to remove an empty folder or directory. To remove an empty folder, type rmdir space folder name. See that folder was removed. This command is used to delete a specific file. Command structure is dal file name. See that file was removed. Use this command when you need to make a copy of files. The file is in new folder, so have to change folder using cd command. So type cd new, then for copy the command is copy file existing folder space folder to copy the file to. Let's see if the data is copied. Yes, it is copied.